BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. Hey, I'm looking at these two Weber grills, the Spirit E-310 and the Traveler Compact. Seems like they're both propane, but pretty different. What do you think?
Yeah, I've been checking them out too. The Spirit E-310 is definitely more of a stay-at-home grill, right? It's got 3 burners and a bigger cooking surface, 360 square inches.
Exactly. And it's heavier, like 98 pounds. The Traveler Compact is only 49 pounds and is smaller in product dimensions, so it's made for moving, like tailgating.
Totally. The Traveler Compact is designed to be portable, folding up and fitting in a car trunk. It even has durable wheels. The Spirit is more of a full-sized patio grill.
Okay, so size and weight are major differences. What about cooking power?
The Spirit E-310 has 3 burners for a total of 19,000 BTUs. The Traveler Compact only has 1 burner, so I assume it's less powerful, though they both have porcelain-enameled cast-iron grates for good heat retention.
Good point, and, the Spirit has Weberworks side rails, which is cool for adding accessories. The Traveler Compact just has a side table, which is still handy.
Right, and the Spirit has a cabinet to hide the propane tank, which is a nice aesthetic touch. The Traveler Compact is more about function over form, I guess.
What about ignition? Do they both have easy starts?
Yep, both have easy ignition. The Spirit uses Snapjet ignition, which lights each burner individually. The Traveler Compact has a simple knob twist ignition.
Okay, so convenience is there for both. Price-wise, the Traveler Compact is cheaper at $299, while the Spirit E-310 is $449.99.
Yeah, and that price difference makes sense given the size and features. If you're always on the go, the Traveler Compact is a no-brainer. If you want a solid backyard grill with more cooking space and features, the Spirit E-310 is the way to go.
All right, I think I have a better understanding now. Thanks for the breakdown.
No problem. Happy grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.